What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I literally just finished filming the last video. Today we've got, oh my goodness, we've got so much to do. I need to buff and polish the rest of this truck. As you can see, we've gathered a lot of parts. This is steering for our Ram. So our new steering is here for the Ram from Synergy Manufacturing. That will be an awesome install when it just gets a little bit warmer. Our new tie rod and drag link for our Ram is here. Those are our wheels for our Hellcat. I will reveal those to you very, very soon. We will get all of this done. I don't know, this video might be filmed over 2 days, but you'll see why in a second. Yes, the correct bumper is finally here for our Chevy. So we'll be able to put our plastic on, get our bumper on, get our grill on. I may go get plastic paint and paint the bottom valence black from Jack's Wax. Oh my God, like so much. Jack's Wax, like the black trim restorer. So we'll be able to bring our other plastics back to life. Paint our gray plastic black, get our bumper on, buff this out. And coming out here, I could see just the sun was just shining off this truck, and I could probably buff this truck. I saw a few scratches, so I might do that sometime, but that's a lot of work and I don't want to do that again. But also today, on top of everything we're doing some powder coating to match this Mojito paint. How do I, what are you doing?
There we go.
No.
It's hard to do with one hand.
Okay, that is hard to do with one hand.
Yeah, see?
So a long time ago, I think it's on my channel somewhere, we made Ben a custom cold air intake. We had his brother come over, he welded all of this up, got a custom K&N air filter and such up for this JL. We got this Jeep, and this is one of the first things we did before any of the companies even made one. We made one. Some companies will still bend this tube and like right here, because the fan shroud is here. We said no, we want straight airflow. We just trimmed the fan shroud, and we have straight, I think this might be 3-inch piping the whole way.
I think it's 3-inch piping.
I forget what we did, but we custom made this. That video is way back on my channel somewhere. I forget when it was. We never got you a breather thing. No, like we were supposed to cut this and get you a little crankcase. I guess it's just breathing raw right now. That's fine. Don't worry about that. We got Illusion Sour Apple. Now this is Illusion Purple. It's a 2-stage powder. I've got it all over my truck. We were gonna do something crazy, but it was just too hard to decide on something that was just, we couldn't do red because if you're changing the accents, so we're just gonna do a paint matched air intake, make it super sweet, super simple, and then we have extra Mojito-ish powder to do whatever we want to match this Jeep as well. If you guys missed that video, I did the keys for our truck here. This is Kiwi from Prismatic. It matches my truck perfectly. Just coming in here really quick, gonna find our 10 mil. I got all my sockets and everything everywhere from that lift. Still haven't, wow, that fell. And of course, oh, at least this 10 mil's here. I don't know where the other one's at. Okay, that's what it is.
I've never asked another man to do this unless it was you, but could you tell him the tip?
That was dumb. This was like Olive Garden. There's no Olive Garden around here. Take this, and we'll get a new micro fibre. I think my Kiwi's in here, and the ink black. This is the Illusion Purple and the Clear Vision. And this is Illusion Sour Apple. As you can see, it's like a goldish, greenish powder. This is quite the simple process if you haven't seen this one before. Oh wait, that one's unplugged. Can we fit that diagonally on here? Oh, daddy, that's perfect. This much powder, you could do so much with it. It takes almost nothing to powder coat anything here. So I've been using this Craigslist oven for like ever now, and I really do / would like to get a bigger oven to do stuff like wheels, lift kit parts, all of that. So I'm gonna see what I could do, see about investing in a larger oven here soon, almost maybe even build a booth or something. We'll figure something out. I'll show you guys the loot. That's what it looks like prior to being shot. Won't use it, but it's like gold powder like flying everywhere. you want this system, go to Eastwood. There's a discount code in my description. Like, I don't get anything for sales on this. It's like less than $100. You can do this at home. Do simple parts, small parts on your vehicles. Like, it's super simple. And you can do some awesome like work at home.
This looks like the rescue green you want on a JK, dude.
I know.
That ugly ass green.
That's such a pretty green though. In the oven. Let me crank this light on real quick. We're losing oven heat fast. But that's how she looks now. Let's see after this stage of the powder's done. About 400 for 20 minutes. It is aluminum, I think. So it'll like go quick. I'm like covered in
Claire's. Looks like
Claire's, yeah.
Looks like you used some lotion from Claire's, like the little kids store.
Glitter bomb. I've never done a metallic powder, so this should be fun. 3, 2, 1, Yahtzee. We are done. This is why you record everything. Daddy made a mess.
Yeah, you spilled the...
I don't know how I'm gonna clean that up because you're not supposed to like chop back it because it can like statically charge. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Don't worry about that. Just remember, in situations like this, stay positive. Look at this, guys. This is, I can just smell the mojito. Look at this intake.
Oh my God.
Oh, baby. Let's get her out of the oven and back on the Jeep. We'll go upstairs, see how close it is to the actual paint code. That's almost a hotter combo mojito in like Illusion Purple.
Yeah, I gotta have a little bit of like metal flake.
That looks expensive. That looks, we need a little like weld-on spot right there. That looks expensive. Let's get out there before the sun goes completely down. That's, I mean,
it's close.
There's probably more metallic here.
Yeah.
But still, that's like,
that's pretty.
That's like dead on. You can't make that up. That's dead on. Yes, it's the small things, guys. That looks so much better underneath the hood. Just, oh yeah. Like an hour later, I mean, here we go. Give or take an hour. This looks spectacular. Obviously, just brightens up the engine bay. Not that you're in here all the time, but when you're in here, that looks super good. Obviously, you know, it might be just a shade. This is probably more vibrant almost. Any build you have, whether it's under the hood, you know, even your D-rings, your exhaust tip, that's dirty. The little things really pull builds together, and that is an awesome addition. Like I said, that thing's been raw aluminum probably for almost a year and a half now.
Yeah,
so
almost a year and a half, yeah.
That looks so good.
So much better. It actually looks like I actually did something to the end.
Yeah, I know. It looks so much better now. However, as you see, it's getting quite late. So we're going to come back out here in the morning. I know, like I said last video, we're going to come back out here in the morning, buff this thing straight, get this done, hopefully get our bumper on, get our grill on, get this thing tidied up so we can get our tint done and mirrors wired, and then finally finish up the exterior with our lift and wheels. We'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, it's been a crazy couple days. We got even more boxes now. Boxes over there, boxes here. I got a whole fresh shipment of like spring detailing stuff from Jack's Wax. Sunday is gonna be a crazy video. There's lots of stuff for me to show you guys. But in the meantime here, we are finally gonna buff all this out. So you wanna get your surface, honestly, this is 3,000 grit. You could probably go up to 5, so you can go all the way to 10,000, make your life easier. 3,000 grit, 2,000 grit, usually with a cutting pad and a buffing pad with cutting and polishing compound, you can get this thing shining. Literally gonna run through right now. I literally do only the Meguiar's 105 and 205 compounds. This is ultra cut and the other one is ultra finishing polish. You're just gonna run through it and you'll literally see this fender shine. For you, a quick couple seconds, and for me, a couple minutes longer, but watch this fender come to life. This is just a cut on this. I'm gonna run through, I'm gonna cut this again, and I will polish this out. Wow, this paint looks shiny, but you get closer, look at this. You can still see the sanding scratches in the clear. There we go. There's a decent amount there, very few as we get lower, but mainly here. Over here is actually pretty sharp almost. It's pretty good over here. There's a good chunk of swirls and scratches this way though. This needs more polish down here, as you can see that. We're going to cut this again really quick cut. You don't want to keep cutting paint because you will burn through. So we're gonna cut this really quick and then polish it out and we should be good. And I'll move on to the hood and the other fender. Really good. I just caught that if you didn't catch that. But it looks good. It looks better than factory. I've been recently just looking at a lot of factory paint jobs and there is so much peel in them. So like looking at this, I gotta just bring myself back to reality and say, wow, this is actually really good because factory paint jobs aren't even this good. Look at that. Hi. You can also see, look at this, there's no peel. And honestly, there's minimal scratches. There's a few baby ones, but no peel. If you guys don't believe me, go outside right now, look at your factory paint. Just look up close, there's a slight peel in it. So I can't get down on myself for something looking this good. You know, it being my first paint job and there's slight defects here and there because a factory paint job, although it looks good, there is peel across the board, so I can't just sit there and, you know, get down on myself for this thing not being perfect, when in turn, you know, this looks better than almost any paint job out there. So I do give myself a pat on the back for doing this because this is actually a crazy paint job. There will be a few waves, a little bit of peel, I know, in the door, like crease there. She's looking great. This passenger door too, I gotta work all of that out. So we got a little bit more work to do, cutting and buffing and whatever, but you guys get kind of the picture of how she's gonna look. And honestly, it's just a stunning color. But I'm gonna do some more work on this tomorrow, finish this all up. You guys are definitely tired of the paint work. Yes, I've seen the comments. I'm tired of the paint work too, but I'm gonna keep working this paint, guys. Next time you see this truck, she's gonna be good. She's gonna be top tip shape. Everything will be done. Get the doors, everything. It'll just be perfect. So in the next video, guys, I'm gonna show you guys everything that is dropped off here. Hellcat wheels, steering parts for the Ram, all the stuff. I didn't even unbox it yet. I'm gonna save it for you guys. I got a whole bunch of like new detailing products from Jack's Wax. We are really gonna go in this next video. After I show you guys all of that, we will put this truck completely back together. Grill will go on and our bumper will go on as well. So we will do all of that in the next video, guys. I am exhausted, I am beat up, I am tired of doing paint work and just working this truck. I mean, from here, guys, wow, that's a stellar color. That looks so good. We're almost there. We're on the home stretch. I gotta keep bringing myself home and say, we're there. I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Discount code and stuff in the description for the Eastwood stuff, powder coating system and all that. And next video, we will put this truck completely back together. So I wanna say thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.